So let's do a quick balance with the SmartWeight Elite Balancer. Now the first thing you're going to notice with this machine is that there are no dataset arms on it, and that's because we don't need them. Now we have a laser on the outside and the inside that's going to take the dimensions and profile the wheel for us. So all I have to do is pull the hood down, and it's going to spin up and take all the pertinent information that it needs. So now that it's spun, you can see here on the screen that it's calling for a tape weight. Well, maybe I don't have tape weights and I want to do clip weights. So I can touch here and have it switch to clip, okay? Or I could switch back to tape weights. Now it's chosen a single weight solution because it's profiled the entire wheel, and it can actually find more single weight solutions, which is going to make my job faster and easier. But if I don't want to do that, I can switch back to a two weight solution and then toggle between tape or clip, as the case may be. So now I can also do one more trick here. If I touch on the actual weight itself, I can actually switch between ½ ounce or ¼ ounce weights. Now in this case I have ¼ ounce weights, so I'm going to stick with that. Well, let's say there's a problem though. Let's say on this plane here, the outer plane, there's a caliper clearance issue. Maybe it's really tight to the caliper, and so I want to get that weight away from that area. I can go into the dimensions profile. I can say enable dragging, and now I can slide these weights around wherever I want. I can grab either one, and notice as I do, it's actually changing the weight callouts here down below and the predicted residual values as well. So that's pretty handy in case we run into issues such as that. Okay, so that's something else that you can do as well. Now in this case, I do have tape weights, and I want to do a single weight solution because I want to be as efficient as possible. Notice here when it shows me the single weight solution, it's showing me exactly on the wheel where it wants me to place that tape weight. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It says it wants 1 ounce, and it wants that ounce just inside of this feature on the wheel. So I'll place it there. Now I'll pull the hood down. If I've done everything correctly, my check spin here will give me OK on the screen, which I have. So that was a successful balance on the SmartWeight Elite Balancer. Thanks for watching.